How to fix Instagram confirmation code in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone, and after that you need to go to the apps manager right here as you can see, and then go to the apps again. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just wait a few seconds, and now just scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Just click on the force stop option, and after you click on it, go to the storage right here. As you can see, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache to clear those numbers right here. And after that, the last step you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen Instagram. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.